Hello guys, welcome to BST African Electronic Surgery on a Thursday, 6 April 2023. Tomorrow, Good Friday. Enjoy the holiday guys. Good Friday, Easter Saturday, Easter Sunday, Easter Monday. Hopefully you will have a nice holiday wherever you are. But before holiday, I think we will fix something. We do have this laptop. The laptop was booked in. It's Toshiba. Toshiba Satellite Pro C850. This is a pro laptop, okay? So this laptop was booked in as a turning on and goes off. This is a job from another computer shop. They assessed the laptop like two different repair shops. The first one, they assessed everything. They said it's a dead processor. And then the guy took it to another repair shop. They assessed the laptop. They said, you know what, we can't see what is the fault here. So let's see exactly what this laptop is doing. We have this charger. This is the customer's charger. Let's check the charger voltage. You can see on the screen 19.48 volts. So clearly our charger is okay. Let's plug in the charger. There's no battery there. The customer took out the battery. Let's power on the laptop. On here, I can see the LED is now on, and it goes off. Let's power on again, on. You will see the Windows log preparing automatic repair. Let's wait. And the laptop goes off. So that's what we have to fix. Or we can try the third time. The charger is still plugged here. Let's try one more time. 3 times is better to give a conclusion. On. The laptop is now on. Windows log sign, and it just went off. So what can be the problem here? An idea? Because if the laptop is shutting down, we have to understand a few things there. It's not like shutting down quickly. It's trying. When we press the power on button, the startup chip is reading all the power supply to see if everything is okay, and then it will send signal to the screen, and the laptop will power on. Actually, the startup sequence, the motherboard is past the startup sequence. So clearly, even myself, I don't know what is the problem with this laptop. But I'm checking all the USBs. All the USBs looks fine. So let's get inside our laptop. Yeah, this is gonna be a tricky job. Let's take out the hard drive. Let's do it stage by stage. Let's power on the laptop without the hard drive. Maybe we have a fault hard drive. On. Because we have to understand why this laptop is behaving like this. The laptop is still staying on. So, is it the hard drive? Let me look for a different hard drive. 1 second. I found another hard drive here. That's 160. Let's power on. Let's put that hard drive and test with a different hard drive. It's possible that the hard drive is misbehaving. It went off again. You see? On. Yeah, this is a weird fault. So clearly it's not the hard drive. Clearly it's not the hard drive. This RAM is not inserted. Why? You know, I hate such kind of faults. When everything is okay but the device is not working. Power on again. Let me put back the hard drive. I'm curious to know what is the problem here. The laptop is still on. I can hear the sound of fan spinning and it goes off. You know what? Let's take out everything. Let's take out everything here. I need a manual screwdriver. Let's see now. I just finished taking out all the screw. Let's take out the CD drive. I'm sure the back cover has to come out, if I do remember clearly. Or I need to check out the keyboard. We have to check out the keyboard first. Maybe. Keyboard is out. We have a few more screws here. What I want to do, like physical inspection on the body. Just to check the motherboard. Okay. Where is our charger? Let's power on the laptop. I'm checking the temperature of the PCH. This looks warm, which is fine. And yeah, our laptop is still on. Let's check some voltages. Do we have all the voltages on the USB? Let me find a proper ground here. The fan is spinning, so where's my 5 volts for the USB? You know what? I can't see the proper ground here. Where's my ground? .14. You can see on the screen 5.14. I'm checking voltage on the USB ports. Obviously here we have 5.14 on these two USB ports. Let's check voltages on the coils. 3.3, 3.16. Here what do we have? 1.53. I believe this is the RAM power supply. Here this power supply is off. The laptop is still on. Here we have coil and it's off. And what about this? 0.95. Here 1.07. That's for the graphics and processor. Okay, we do have a BIOS chip here on the VCC 3.24. Here we do have two coils. I believe that is the main 3.3 and 5 volts power supply. This one which we see here, I think this is the power supply to charge the battery. You know, the switching power supply to charge the battery. 5 volts here, 3.38. So if you have the writing and display, I'm against the issue that the processor is dead. I don't think the processor is dead. So why this laptop is behaving like this? The chipset is getting hot, but I don't think it's faulty. Can be faulty. Let me unplug the charger. No water damage, no everything. You know what? I think one of these items is misbehaving. Let's put this cover. Let's put the hard drive and let's eliminate the keyboard and CD drive, and try to power on the laptop without the CD-ROM and the keyboard on. Same issue. You know what? Let's close up the laptop and try something. I will tell you after closing up what we have to try here. I just finished putting back all the screws together, and our charger is plugged, and I'm sure, I'm 100% sure it will shut down again because we did nothing. I checked everything, but all the voltages, they are okay. No like broken USBs, and the laptop is still shutting down, you see. So you know what, I know what is the problem, but I try to make this video longer so that people will learn something. If I just say this is the problem and I fix it 2 minutes, the videos will be boring. So you know why this laptop is doing this? It's not a processor. It's not like a shorted USB or something. It's the charger. This is the kind of behavior of a bad charger. But it's very easy for someone to go wrong. You see this charger? This is the customer's charger. Let's check this charger again. And it's very easy for someone, whether how professional you are, as long you have never seen such kind of fault, it's very easy to go wrong. Check this charger. You can see on the screen 19.49. We think this charger is good, and why am I saying this charger is not okay at 19.49? Because I found something. Let me unplug the charger, or even without unplugged, check what the customer did here. Here he put some plastic things here, and obvious if we check here, we are getting 19. So what I'm thinking is happening here, we are getting a touch moving this thing, and after that the laptop will shut down by itself. I don't think the problem is from this laptop. I think it's from the power pack. We can test with a different charger. Can we? I think we can test with a different charger. Let me look for a charger. Look for a charger. I have this power pack. This is an universal laptop power pack. So I'll plug here. You can see the light is set on 19 volts. So this is our charger. This is not customer's charger. Let's plug in the charger. This is our own charger. Let's try with a different charger. On. Let's wait. You can see the Windows lock. It's loading Windows. We want to see if this laptop will shut down by itself. Still loading Windows. Please wait, it's still on. At first it was not taking such long. So please wait. You can see there's customer's password there. So we'll stop here. So the laptop is not turning off. So two computer repair shop, they failed to recognize that this charger is fault. So either there are two options. Let me close here. Let me check out that charger. So there are two options here. Either here where the customer puts some plastic things, maybe it's causing a short when you move the charger, and the laptop, the 19 volts is being shorted to ground and the laptop will shut down by itself. Or it's not touching, or the wires are not touching here. Maybe we have the problem with the power supply itself. But we can't see this because maybe we need a new oscilloscope to check some signals there, like fluctuation of voltage, or maybe we have a problem with the output regulator, you know, the Scotch diode on the output, maybe. But I don't want to fix this because we'll give maybe we'll fix this at some other time. But we'll give customer a new power pack. So the whole idea of this video was to see how easy you can go wrong. You can go wrong thinking that the laptop is faulty. They opened, the laptop is still on, you see. I closed the lid, but it's still on. Still on, mouse is working, it's not shutting down. So that was a power pack problem. but like 2 shops, because obvious checking with a multimeter, you have 19 volts there, but the charger is faulty. So if you are in laptop repairs or electronic repairs and you see such a kind of faulty, try with a different charger. See you on the next one. Bye. Okay, 1 minute. You see the laptop is staying on. Let's go back and test with our charger again. Let's do the final test just to prove my point. Let's test. This is the customer's charger. Let's plug it on. Let's wait. Maybe what I'm saying is wrong, but let's see. You see, the laptop just shut down. So this charger clearly is faulty. I don't even want to try to fix it and return to the customer. We'll give the customer a new charger, but not an universal one. This one is just for testing. We do have some chargers in stock. This is our own universal charger, but even with this universal charger, the laptop is not shutting down. So I'll stop this video now. Hope you learned something, despite that I didn't fix anything, but just to figure it out, what is the fault. That's also a good thing. So you have a nice holiday, guys. Good Friday, nice weekend for the Easter, and see you after holiday. Bye.